I'm a feminine M&M, a slim shady lady, but nice cause I texted 80, 90 lady cops in the road, and I'm arrested for doing 80. Like Hamlet, all about words, 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 divide a hole into thirds, thirds, thirds. I'm a gay sea otter, I blow other dudes out of the water. I'm the man, muffin, diving muffin, cold and fly like an arctic puffin, puffin. Waggy to baggy, hating other rappers like I'm Helga Pataki, and I've been rocking this mic before electricity, way back in 1000 BCE. That's before the common era. Era. I can't be stopped, flow so sick that it should be mopped up. Chick's got a Dixie cup, I got a dick full of helium, I'll fuck you up. A boy, a girl, a middle-aged bitch, Botox in the third person. I get the perspective of switch and Botox in the third person. Just relax, if you wanna know me, here's 2 facts. I hate catchy choruses and I'm a hypocrite. Hungry, hungry hypocrite. I hate catchy choruses and I'm a hypocrite. Met a girl named Macy. I had sex with her all day, but she was dyslexic, so I ended up doing the YMCA. We ballin' Asian, we bowlin', prostate cancer, semicolon. Find that hole like I'm Stephen Hawking. Atticus Finch, killing, mocking. Cry like a child would. You rape my childhood. Just rollin' your polling to roly-poly, Oli's colon. To relax my mind and take a walk by the clock, and I pass the time and rhyming, mathematical timing, syntax, and taxi, intact timing. I'm an internet provider, came from the web like a horny spider. Fucked a girl in an apple orchard, then came inside her. I thought AIDS was a butt virus, like conjunction, conjunctivitis. I spit gold bars cause I was molested by my Uncle Midas. Gay dads, blow pops, another sucker. Oedipus was the first motherfucker. I hate catchy choruses and I'm a hypocrite. Hungry, hungry hypocrite. I hate catchy choruses and I'm a hypocrite. We, the people of the USA, Jose, we're not talking to USA. We got a border in order to keep you out. It's what my NYU essay is about. Cause we're xenophobic warrior princess, molested by my Uncle Sam. Is that incest? I want you to smell my finger. Does my nephew's scent still linger? South the queers, north the hell. The queer ones sucked and the brown ones snowy. Guard the border and we got it well, but some